Tasha family, welcome back to another video. This is my 1 year lock anniversary. Yes, I'm officially 1 year lock. I have locs in my hair because I have an event to tend to tomorrow, and I wanted to have some curls, so I decided to purchase these locs. I saw someone use it and I wanted to try them. I have pipe cleaners and locs because I didn't have enough locs. So the loc looks like this. I got them from Amazon. I saw someone on TikTok use them, so I ordered them and I got one from Amazon. But I didn't have enough and I ordered the wrong size. So for my hair, I use medium. But I didn't know how this works, so I ordered small and large. Small was too short. Small only fit the back of my head. Large is too long. And then I ran out because these are all smalls. They're too short for the middle. So I had to go to Hobby Lobby and get these pipe cleaners, which does the job fine too. So if you can't afford these, just go to Hobby Lobby and get you some pipe cleaners. So how this works is, see how long the long is? It's too long. So what I did is I fold the end in. So this is how I take it out. So straighten this one out. So this is my curl. I put 2 braids in one because y'all know I got a lot of hair. So it'll look like that. And this is the loc. This is the large. So all I do is I take these two. One end, I wrap the bottom like this, bend this piece in to lock it secure, and then I start rolling, just rolling, roll all the way up. Just roll, girl, roll. And then once I get to the root, I bend it in, and sometimes I twist it around because it's too long. So it'll sit like this. And my lights went out. Okay, let's fix that real quick. There we go. Sorry about that. Okay, so that's how I did my whole head. So let's say you can't afford the loc and you're gonna use pipe cleaners. The pipe cleaners look like this. All I do is bend it in two, fold it in two like this. I make a little, twist the end to make a little knot like this. And then it'll look like this. And I do the same thing. And once I wrap the tip of it, I bend this in to secure it and then roll. So that's what I do with the pipe cleaners. So in the 1 year, I still have fuzziness. That's not going anywhere. I did get some length. The length is still the same, and I don't think I'm getting any more volume. I think it has stopped swelling. So this is as big as it'll get, and it's not heavy. It's still light. I need to be careful with my edges because that's why I took my first set of locs out. I had the bigger ones and my edges were gone. I had 2 use, but so far so good. I'm hanging in there. And yes, my husband doesn't like it because he doesn't like the fuzziness, but I like the convenience, so I'm rocking it. Let's see how long we rock this, but for so far so good. It's hanging in there. So I'll catch you guys up with 1 year and 1 month, I guess, in the next video. So I just wanted to share with you guys. Oh, and lots of water. Like when you have dreads, it's like your hair is like a plant. You need to spray it every day, like just moisturize it. So I use oils for my scalp, water for hydration mixed with some coconut oil or olive oil, and I wash my hair once every 2 weeks, and I interlock it once a month or once every 1.5 months. Lately, I've only been interlocking and not palm rolling the front because the interlock stays so much neater, so much longer. So that's what I wanted to share with you guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.